Blessing my viewers and subscribers. I don't know the thing. Good morning. I don't know, so this is a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. Well, people right now have some really tough news where a family right now, people is confused. A son, daughter, relatives of a man right now, people is confused, them devastated, them frustrated, and you know what I mean? I'm going to share this with the people so they can understand the fullest of what going on NEWLINK. I'm going to tell you now. See, it's about a man, a young man, who resides in Brooklyn over there in New York, people. And it is said that now this man, 6 months ago, he returned to Jamaica because of family-wise and thing, people. 6 months ago, right? So he done a Jamaica bill for a while and thing because his daughter and son on there. It is said that in October, his son get shot up, people. And him comes a boom now and, you know what I mean? It comes a boom and, you know, deal with him son because to a certain reason and thing and try to be there for him son. So that is part of setting back, making him even can travel back to the United States. So it is said that now, people, on January the 9th, he comes a boom now and him go check him son and think, you know, say him son get shot and thing in a healthy, people. And him go check him son. And when him go check him son, people, from there they try to call him. Them can't get him phone. You know what I mean? In a Sherlock Crescent, they cannot get him phone. Family members, everybody, relatives, try to reach him. They can't get this man, people. Nobody, no connection, nothing from January 9th until now. You know what I mean? And they said that even after him go check him son, people, 3 days after that, a car hit down his daughter. You know what I mean? So his daughter is in hospital, in a public hospital. His daughter did have to do a surgery and a wait on her father, people, because you don't know, say he's the one who mostly push off the financial part, people, and no one no hear about this man. They said his car, people, is missing from that day. Nobody sees car because you have a car in Jamaica. Nobody seen car. Nobody not trace nothing. You understand? Rooster tapping eyes. Nobody seen car, people. You know what I mean? And it is said that even his house, no sign show of entry where this man has entered his house from that day until now. And the family, this man is in the picture now. So anybody in Jamaica, if you don't know this man, or see him, know hear about this man or anything like that, or you can come forward with it. You know what I mean? Because this family is very devastated right now, people. His friends, everybody, even though over in a Brooklyn, people, because it's people in a Brooklyn who know this man so good. I reach out to NEWLINK and I say, NEWLINK, boy, you tell about that roast there in the morning. I say, man, I soon get rid of it, you know. Then I said, NEWLINK, you know, I said, deep inside NEWLINK, the brother here was a cool brother, a good youth and thing. And he's a youth who love him family and thing and look forward to him family. He was the breadwinner for him family, NEWLINK. And with a love, you know what I mean? With just a hope and praise and nothing to do him. And with a love him, come forward wherever him they, if they, you know, because them don't want the bad side and the news people fear say him this and him that. But from January 9th until now, that's almost 2 weeks now, people. And for me, NEWLINK production, can do is pray and hope for the best. God know, people. Because in a situation we say, most of 90% of the time when people do missing in Jamaica, when them find them, they are dead. Them dead. You know what I mean, people? So, but just hope say one of them story and one of them theory, you know what I mean? You may never know there's something else can behind it, and no pay them no mind. No pay that no mind. They understand there's something else can behind it and thing, but only just season he knows, people. But just I wish this man can do, you know what I mean, fine, and his family can have a brain second car. This sure. You understand, people? So I don't know a thing of people are going to deal with this case right now. I don't know a thing of this is NEWLINK from NEWLINK production, man. And anytime I know story people or anything like that, once and it's refined, it really interesting, and it's a thing where we can talk about, we do talk about it. But it enough love, enough respect, people, and enough blessings. And we say attack, peace.